Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad 2 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen. This will bring down your toggles, and here we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. It might not be visible by default, so in this case we will need to add it ourselves, and you can do so by clicking on that edit button at the bottom, scroll down, and here you'll find additional toggles. Now it is labeled as DND right here, short for Do Not Disturb mode, so just look for a moon icon with this rating under. Click on the plus. As you can see, it gets added, and now we can click on the check mark to save those changes. And now we have access to our Do Not Disturb mode from our toggles. Now before you tap on it to turn it on, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, very limited settings, that being said, where you can customize whatever can be customized right here. To be completely honest, it's almost non-existent customization, but you can toggle it on and off, and also set up a schedule and have it enabled only when the device is locked. That's about it. Anyway, let's close it up, find the toggle once more, and here you can just click on it to turn it on. And by default, or actually not by default, just generally, you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background. And to turn it off, you just tap on this toggle once more. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.